Morning guys, Ercan here from EK Lawn and Garden Services, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a yard cleanup. So when I say yard cleanup, this is a full blooded backyard and front yard cleanup. So this particular client's got a lot of trees, shrubs, garden beds that have just basically been out of control, and we're going to prune all the trees down. We're going to clean all the garden beds and brush all the bushes and so forth. So I'm going to flip the camera around, guys, and just give you a bit of an idea what the current situation is. So as you can see there, we've got quite a bit of trees in the backyard. So we've got this tree here that's going to be pruned down. We've got this tree here that's going to be pruned down and lopped a little bit. We've got back garden bed there that needs to be cleaned. All of these garden beds over here need to be cleaned. And then we've got this crawler here, and client wants really that cleaned out down to a manageable level. And then if you come across here, we've got this tree here, and again this crawler, it's really taken over here, as you can see. And we're at the front of the yard now, guys, and as you can see, there's more trees. Another tree here. We've got this garden bed right here that needs to be brushed out and cleaned. We've got this tree right here at the front as well that needs to be pruned down. We've got the fig tree, and just working my way around, guys. This is an all-day affair here today, as you'll see. And then along the side, we've got this tree here, and then we've got this garden bed to clean as well, and again that tree that I showed you earlier. Alright guys, enjoy, have a great one, and I'll catch you guys soon. after a good 3/4 of a day, guys, we've completed the job. So I'm just going to flip the camera around and show you exactly the finished result, guys. So as I would have shown you this morning, we've got this tree pruned down pretty hard as well. We pruned the one next to it, and then what we did was we lopped that hanging branch down from that particular big tree, guys. That garden bed there and all that shrub at the back has all been weed brushed, cleaned and out in the bin. And we have cleaned up this garden bed here with that shrub there. Basically it was all over the place, so we've cleaned that up. And then this tree here along the driveway, guys, we've actually pruned that down a little bit as well. So if I flip the camera around this way, you'll see the carport's now a little bit more clearer. And then what we did is we pruned this one here, just taking all the excess so the walkway's quite comfortable. And then the trees at the front, we've pruned that one down so it's a bit walkable. The fig tree has been given a good cull actually. And then two trees, which is the lemon from the neighbour, has been cut down, so there's a walk path there so the client can walk through. That tree's just been lopped a little bit. And the garden bed at the front, guys, as you would probably recall, that was just full of weed, so we brushed it down and gave it a good clean. And yeah, we're done, guys, and pretty much that's a full yard clean up the way the client wanted it. Basically they wanted the trees and the garden beds clean, so as you can see here, the big garden beds, the veggie patch, that's been more brushed down and weeded out and gave it a bit of an aerate as well for the client so they can start preparing for the spring veggies. Guys, I hope this video gives you a bit of an idea of what the some of the yard maintenances are, or yard cleanups. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe to the channel, really appreciate it, the support, the views, and all comments are welcome. I look forward to catching up on the next video, guys. Take care, all the best, guys. Have a great afternoon.